So I'm starting to learn that part of this YouTube world is that I have to kind of just record wherever the hell I'm at, right? So I have to make a quick... Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Trey Poetic here, back with another video. As you can see, I am in my car. I have a couple errands that I need to run and they need to get done today. However, I did not want to lose the momentum that I had when I started to create this video, so I'm bringing you guys along with me. I hope you don't mind. It is a beautiful day out here in New York City, and I just wanted to say before I get started, I apologize for not having uploaded any content in quite some time. It is my goal to upload a video at least once a week, at least. However, given the temperature of everything that has been going on in our world today, it just deemed inappropriate for me to be up here talking about hair and makeup. My heart wasn't in it, and if my heart isn't in it, honestly, I'm just not gonna do it. So I'm back, and I find it at this point a little therapeutic to bring you guys content of me doing things that I enjoy doing, and kind of distracting myself from the things that are somewhat out of my control at the moment, and you know, regrounding in some sorts of ways. I just wanted to make sure that I let you guys know that I pray for you, I love on you, I am a beautiful black woman, I come from a beautiful black family. It is always and forever Black Lives Matter. However, just remember to be safe out here. It is also still COVID-19, and let's love on one another. You know, we need that right now. And so without further ado, I hope that this video brings you a little bit of comfort and some peace and the know-how to slay, because we can always slay even when we're feeling a little down, right? So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so let's get started. Below I listed some of the items that I used, and you're going to want to start by filling up your bowl with some hot water. I used water directly from my faucet. It's not necessary to use boiling hot water. I promise you, you will attain the same result. Once you start filling up your bowl, make sure to have enough water. You want to get that bowl filled up at least halfway so that once you start the coloring process, your unit is fully submerged, okay? Put some gloves on and let's get started. Today we're going to be working with the Royal Navy Adore brand color. I use their company often. They're cheap and their colors usually come out so vibrant and just the way I like it. So yeah. You're going to want to pour at least the whole bottle into that water, and you're going to want to mix it up until all of the solution is fully dissolved. And you see that color? That is exactly what we're going for, okay? That's the color that I want the unit to be, and hopefully that is the color that it will turn out to be. We're going to be working with that unit that you all may have seen me wearing in my last video. If you have not seen it, you should check it out. If you would like to get notifications for when I post more videos, make sure that you subscribe below and do like if you like what you see. Okay, you're going to want to dip your unit directly into that water and make sure that it is fully submerged. Like I said before, you want to make sure that you get every little piece of hair, or your unit will not be evenly colored and you're going to have like patchy areas. I'm going to show you what I mean, because you can do something like this and think that you're getting every single hair, right? But you're not. And I'm going to show you that in a second, and the mistakes not to make, okay? So as you can see, I dipped it, but it had not touched the scalp portion of the unit. So that portion would have looked crazy had I not done what I did next. So I'm going to use my spoon to kind of just press in that area and make sure that it gets fully submerged and that it gets the color, because sis, who wants to look crazy out here? When the sun hits your scalp, it's going to be like, who sent you? But anyway, you're gonna notice that I have a little bit of white residue along the hairline of my unit. I just did not clean off the glue from the last time that I had applied it. And I'm also showing you that when you do the watercolor method, it does not stain your lace. I honestly prefer coloring my units this way because of that exact reason. I don't have to worry about coming out with a blue hairline. This will not be a problem. So like I said before, I'm going to add the remainder of my color to that water, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to mix it in, and then I'm going to redunk my unit to make sure that it is dark as I want it to be, okay? So I'm going to mix it in, and you see that dark color come right back, and I'm going to redunk, and hopefully I see you guys in my next video where I may or may not be wearing this unit, but this is probably the last that you will see me do anything crazy to this unit. I think it's been through enough. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys next time.